ISG led comprehensive efforts to film and produce promotional aerial videos of over 40 Xcel Energy certified sites. Located within 6 different states, the videos market the diverse development opportunities to site selectors, commercial and industrial brokers, and potential clients. To streamline the massive undertaking, ISG's business development and advanced technology team coordinated the effort with Xcel Energy's real estate program team. Establishing a firm understanding and vision for the project, the team quickly got to work shooting drone footage that strategically captured the essence of each of the varied sites. Ranging from 40-acre sites in the heart of the metro area to 6,000-acre megasites in remote regions. Each location presented unique flight and production challenges, including navigating the complexities of the airspace for each site. This required complying with Federal Aviation Administration regulations. The production team applied their understanding of client needs and goals to develop promotional videos. Animated overlays and graphic callouts highlight the opportunities of each site, distilling large amounts of data in an easy-to-grasp format. The team exceeded client expectations by completing the extensive scope of work within 3 months, while delivering cost-effective solutions to maintain Xcel Energy's competitive edge.